little Crosby, Stills, and Nash.
Got out of town on a boat on the southern island, sailing a reach for the following sea. We were making for the trades on the outside, and the down you run from having a day. All the wind on this head and line of my cases. We got 80 feet on the water line, nicely making way. In the noisy bar in Avalon, I tried to call you, but on a midnight watch I realized why twice you ran away. Think about how many times I have fallen. Spirits are using me, larger voices calling. What heaven brought you and me cannot be forgotten. 'Cause I have been around the world, looking for that woman, girl, who knows love can endure. And you know it will. And you know it will. When you see the Southern Cross for the first time, understand now why it came this way. 'Cause the truth you might be running from is so small, but it's as big as the promise of the coming day. I'm sailing for tomorrow, dreams of a dying, and my love is an anchor tied to you, tied with a silver chain. I've got my ship, and all of her flags are flying. She is all that I have left, and music is her name. Think about how many times I have fallen. Spirits are using me, larger voices calling. What heaven brought you and me cannot be forgotten. 'Cause I have been around the world, still looking for that woman, girl, who knows love can endure. And you know it will. And you know it will. So we cheated and we lied and we tested, and we never failed to fail. It was the easiest thing to do. You will survive being busted. Somebody fine will come along, maybe forget about loving you. Think about how many times I have fallen. Spirits are using me, larger voices calling. What heaven brought you and me cannot be forgotten. 'Cause I have been around the world, still looking for that woman, girl, who don't Who knows love can